Hello everyone, let's start with our series Roadmap to Become Competitive Programmer 5 stars. So in this video we'll be solving the 17th problem, and the problem name is car or bike. So let's read out the problem. It says chef wants to reach home as soon as possible. He has two options: travel with his bike which takes X minutes, or travel with his car which takes Y minute. Got it? So which of the two options is faster? How do they both take same time? Okay, so let us understand. The input format is basically first line will contain t number of test cases, then the test cases follow. So let's uh, take care of the test case. While t minus 1, I think from our previous sections videos I'm doing the same thing, so I think you're getting what I'm trying to do here. Basically it will take care of the test cases. Next line will contain two integer x and y. So c in x, c in y, we are taking x and y. X is basically number of x minutes to travel home for the chef. The bike will take x minutes and the car will take y minutes. So I think we can go to the examples. Okay, let's try to understand some of the examples. So first example is x is 1 and y is 5. So x is 1, y is 5. So this is basically bike. Chef will require 1 minute to reach home via bike and 5 minutes to reach home via car. So in this case clearly you can see x is less than y. So I would say bike is better in this case. Okay, let's see the second example, which is saying x is 4, y is 2. Yeah, so in second example, this was the first, x is 4, y is 2. So basically here in this case if you see x is greater than y, so y is basically the car, so car is taking less time. So in this case we can say car is the best option. Now let's understand the third case. 6 and 6. So basically x is 6 and y is also 6. So in this case if you see x is equals to y, which means these are same. So both the, if you either choose bike or if you want to choose car, both will take the same time. So in this case we'll have to output it as same, which is given here as well. So in first category is bike, as you can see, and in second case it is car, which you can see. In third case you can see same. Yeah, so let's try to code it up. So it was easy only. Low, we'll have to check if x is less than y. So bike will be chosen. C out will have to output as bike. Else if x is greater than y, means car is taking less time, so we'll have to print car. Else we'll have to print same, which means x equals to y. In that case we need to print same. And let's try to run the code. So bike car same, bike car same. Let's try to submit the code. Yeah, it got accepted. So it was easy only. So basically we need to check if bike is taking less time or car is taking less time, or both are taking the same time. So accordingly we'll have to print the statements. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching my video.